Hey fam bam, it's Sienna. Today we're talking about some more renovations that I've been doing to my house. It's almost finished, you guys. It's so close. And this is probably the most exciting aspect of the house, in my opinion, because I finally got wallpaper, baby. I got peel and stick wallpaper to dress up my office area, and it is so stinking cute. It's like a grown-up version of a really expensive, beautiful pink palace. Like, that's what my office looks like now. And I'm really excited because today's video is it sponsored? I'm not getting paid, but they did ship me wallpaper. My wallpaper dreams are coming true because of Muse Wall Studios. And this started because I found my friend, Young Pole Master, on Instagram. Miles, that's what his Instagram name is. So we did a shoot together a while back, and he did a posting where he put up this gorgeous palm tree peel and stick wallpaper in his house.
From basic to brilliant, baby. First, I went to musewallstudio.com and went through all the categories. It was dope because I was able to see how easy it was to put on and take off. I was on my ladder and everything, okay? It's giving hotel. Bachelor pad wear. This is right here. It's giving the players ball. Thank you so much, Muse Wall Studio.
And I was like, oh my God, I need to know where this came from. Reached out to them and I was like, please, can you sponsor me a wall in my house? I really want to put your wallpaper up. And they said yes, you guys. So they sent me enough wallpaper to cover this wall behind me. And it came out so good, you guys. Like, I can't wait for you to see it. Stay tuned for later in the video. Firstly, we replaced the carpet. Before, I had this like turquoise blue carpet. It was fine, it was whatevs, you know what I mean? It was from Wayfair, it was probably like $100, not anything wow or anything spectacular, pretty normal, basic. And after a while I figured, you know, if we're gonna be revamping the whole house, we're gonna be putting up this fabulous wallpaper, we cannot have the rug looking kind of like crusty, dusty, and old. So I found a new rug, also from Wayfair, but this rug is gorgina. It's pink and white and cream, and it looks like little palm fronds or like flower leaves or something. Like, it's just so feminine, so stunning, feels more luxurious under your feet, really just encapsulates the entire like feminine look that I want for this room. I also painted the walls pink. I did the two smaller side walls. It's literally the most perfect pink if you're looking for a light, airy, cheerful pink, but you don't want it to be overwhelming. I highly suggest this one. It's by Bear. Huh? Yeah. I've always had these pink velvet drapes that I found on Amazon. They're just perfect for covering up the mirror when I need to do filming and stuff like that. Most difficult thing that was changed in this room is the chandelier. The chandelier before was this tiny little itty bitty chandelier. It wasn't doing much for the room. I kind of just had it there because I didn't have anywhere else to put it. It was just kind of like lacking some zhuzh in here, you know what I mean? Well, I found this red Murano hand-blown glass Italian chandelier from OfferUp. You guys, I shop sustainable for most everything, except for like cloth stuff, you know what I mean? Like rugs, upholstered things. You know, I like that to be fresh. But chandeliers, absolutely, honey, we can do sustainable shopping for that. When you're doing chandeliers, you do have to think about the cost of the installation as well. Different electricians charge different prices, anywhere from like $100 up to $300 for the chandelier to be taken down and then the next one to be installed. I had it professionally installed. We had a bit of an issue, you guys. Okay, so we had a little bit of a fiasco with the new chandelier. The screws were too short, didn't fit into the bracket, into the ceiling, so I had to go to the Ace Hardware and get some new screws that are longer, but then they didn't have the size of the screws that we needed. So then we had to buy, I guess it's called like threading, and then you put this piece on the end to make it like a screw that has a head, and we're gonna hope that these work. Hell yeah, Shandy is up. Turn the light on, can I turn it on?
Yeah.
Ooh, baby. How cute. I love it. There was just like so much going on. But basically I went to the store twice because I got the wrong thing. We got it handled, but we finally got it up. It looks so good. And then there was like this much space dangling of chain from the ceiling down to the chandelier. So I covered it in flowers. fake flowers. I just stuck them in the chain. So now it looks gorgeous. This is the best hack of the century. Like, and now it just really adds that special element to make it look unique to me. I love it. Okay, I also changed out the candles that were in the candelabras because I had ordered these like special blue ones that matched the carpet, and now that I switched out the carpet, I wanted the candles to match the chandelier, so they are red. And the best part, the wallpaper. So I did hire a professional for this as well. It cost me $200 for the installation because I wanted it done right. I really don't have patience anymore. I probably would have messed it up if I had done it myself. I just hired somebody to do it right, and I'm really glad that I did. Okay, so today's the day we're putting up the wallpaper on this big wall by Muse Wallpaper. I'm so excited, and Tony's here to help me. Thank you, Tony. So he had like this little laser pointy machine thingy to line up the panels exactly perfectly. I mean, honestly, you guys, you don't have to get a professional, but if you are meticulous to get it perfect, I'm such a perfectionist. If it's not exactly perfect and lined up, I would have just been like so frustrated. I just don't want you to think that you absolutely have to get a professional. Like for the chandeliers, yes. For the wallpaper, no. Tons of people do peel and stick wallpaper by themselves. It's not that big of a deal, but I personally just think it's a better idea to get someone who knows what they're doing so you don't mess up the paper. I was a little bit concerned because you're not technically supposed to put peel and stick wallpaper over textured walls, and my walls are textured. However, it still sticks, you guys. It sticks wonderfully. Nothing has been coming up at all. It's been up for a week, and I think we're gonna be fine. So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you have been cautious about getting peel and stick wallpaper. Not all peel and stick wallpaper is created equal, you guys. This paper is amazing quality, beautiful quality of the paper. It's thick, it's sticky without being too sticky, so you can get it off easily whenever you move. It is very renter friendly. I have also ordered peel and stick wallpapers that are like thin and not sticky enough. This is by far light years above and beyond anything you're gonna find on Amazon. I'm dead. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, it's done. It looks so fucking good. Like, this looks expensive. This looks beautiful. This is gorgeous. Look at the detailing on this. It looks like a straight up painting. I love it. This is my favorite one right there. This little guy. I'm so excited. Look at the glory of that wall. I can't believe how good it came out. I'm so excited about it. I put the pictures back up myself, and I just think that it looks like a house instead of just an apartment. You know what I'm saying? Like, that looks like a motherfucking house. So here is the final look. If you're interested in Muse Wall Studio peel and stick wallpapers, I'll leave the link below in the description box. If you're trying to amp up your house and make it look rich and expansive, this is the way to do it. Nothing looks more expensive than wallpaper. It's stunning. All right, I hope you enjoyed my makeover, and I'll see you in another video really soon. Bye.